Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on INFINIX Zero Ultra. And to do this we'll need to open a settings. Right here, scroll to the bottom of the page and find special functions. Scroll down again and locate action and gesture. Here's all of the gestures and motions available for this device, and let's go with showcase all of them. Here's a tapping wake. Double click to open or close the screen, so click on it and enable it. Here, if we lock a screen and double tap on it, it should wake it like that. Next one is a music gesture. Quick control your music by a specific gesture with a finger over the screen. And so when a screen is off, swipe left to switch to the previous, swipe right to switch to the next track, swipe up to stop, and swipe down to play. So make sure to enable it. And now if you listen to music, you can use all of these gestures that I've mentioned a second ago. Flip to mute. So if you go for this setting and flip the phone, it will mute all incoming calls. So make sure to place the phone on its screen like that, and you shouldn't hear any calls while this mode is enabled. Another one is to raise to ear. When enabled, raise to ear allows you to answer incoming calls by raising the phone to your ear. So make sure to enable that setting. And now if the call would my phone would call and I would pick it up and get it close to my ear, it should answer the call without pressing on the button. And there's another one, smart screen on. The screen lights up when the device is picked up and lights off when the device is lowered. So let's enable it and see if how that works. Let's try locking it, picking it up, and it lights up like that. And if we lower it, it turns off. That's very handy and works quite well, I must say. Okay, the next one is answer calls with gesture. So if you go for it, there's a long description, so let me read that. When enabled, camera will turn on automatically and flashlight not available until this call is connected. Again, when enabled, camera will turn on automatically and the flashlight not available until the call is connected. So yeah, let's do it like that. Then call answering gesture. Use the shown gesture about 20 centimeters above the front camera to answer the call. Extend your index and middle fingers with the palm facing front camera. So if you want to answer the call, you would do something like this in front of the front camera and it should answer the call. And there's also call rejection gesture, which looks like this, and it should reject the call if your phone can notice it. So last one is the screenshots, and if you answer it, you'll be able to take a screenshot with different settings. There's a partial screenshot. Long press with 3 fingers to trigger partial screenshot function. Let's try that. And here we can draw or make a circle for a screenshot. Like that. There's also take a screenshot with 3 fingers. Simply slide down your 3 fingers to take a screenshot. You can also do the full page screenshot if you want. Delete after sharing, and if you enable it and share the screenshot, it will be removed from your gallery. And delete after editing, so if you edit any screenshot, it will be deleted. It's in a default form as well. And that's basically all of gestures and motions on this device, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.